Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Revenue Management Whiteboard. Today we're going to be talking about pricing and how to think about pricing around major events. The first point I'm going to bring up is when you've got a major event, the demand is high, or let's put it as major. What that means is that all properties in the area are likely to be sold out or near sold out. So all properties near or sold out. So if we think about this now logically, we've got an event on and we've also got regular customers, and every other motel in town also has regular customers. Regular customers come every week, week in, week out. Event customers for this major event, they might be willing to pay a high price, but are they coming all of the time? No, they're just coming for the major event. Whereas all of your regulars come to town weekly. This is generalized, so it's going to be a mixture, but our regulars are going to be coming consistently. And we can say the same thing for the regulars at all of the other properties. Now, let's flip the scenario on its head. Let's forget about the major event. These customers are staying for 1-2 nights max. Let's focus on regulars. These guests pay year round. So what are we going to do? Firstly, we're going to increase our rate, but we're not going to gouge. I'll put a cross here. No gouging. And lastly, we're going to implement a minimum LOS, or length of stay. What that means is that we're going to take bookings for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 nights. The event itself is 2 nights, so most of the people that book under our rate won't be staying for the event. So by doing that, we're targeting people that are more likely to be regulars in town. So I think to recap, it's a bit of a different strategy than most properties are going to take. Most properties are going to sell for the major event and they're going to try and get the high prices. Flip the switch. Consider regulars, especially regulars that are staying at other properties as well. By targeting them with a minimum length of stay, you're going to be collecting a lot of workers who might continue to stay for following weeks. Forget about the highest rate. Chase the best outcome for your motel, and chase the best outcome for your motel for the entire year, not just those couple of nights for the event. And use length of stay rules to maximize your revenue and reduce your costs of room turnover. That's everything we're going to cover in this session of the Revenue Management Whiteboard. Thank you so much for tuning in, and remember, smart pricing isn't about charging the most. It's about earning the most for your property, and it's about earning the most for your property over the entire year, not just one night. Please make comments and ask questions in the comments section so that we can discuss everything further. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video.